to the most fun park place. Yes, Nikki. You can play happily in the park. Kite, ball, golf, balloon, sort of like there are people playing in this park now. Everyone playing in the park. Now then, it is satisfied. Yay, 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 yay! Hooray, hooray! Emily, Emily. What, Nikki? Let's go on a picnic in the same park. I can't wait to go to the most fun park place. Hooray, hooray! You can play happily in the park. Kite, ball, golf, balloon, sorts of like there are people playing in this park now. Everyone playing in the park now. Then it is satisfied. Nikki. I know. What? I want to eat. I'm so hungry. Come here. Let's eat at the picnic park I mentioned earlier. Really? Yes, come here. It's time to eat. It's good afternoon. I want to eat. I'm so hungry. I'm so full. We want to play. What? We play balloons. Emily, yes? Yes, Nikki, let's play. I got you. Got you, Emily. To balloon. I got you, Nikki. I'm the winner. Yeah. Let's go home. It looks so fun.